Is the world spinning out of control? Is madness the new normal? These are questions that might have crossed your mind in recent times. Today we dive into some real-life stories that illustrate this madness and emphasize the need for a return to sanity. Imagine a world where a pair of sneakers, yes, sneakers, are sold for over $100,000. This is not a work of fiction, but a reality. The year 2023 saw a pair of sneakers auctioned for a staggering $112,000. A pair of shoes, once merely a necessity, now a luxury item that has people digging deep into their pockets. Next, consider the curious case of the invisible art that took the world by storm. An Italian artist managed to sell an invisible sculpture for $18,000. Yes, you heard it right, an invisible sculpture. A sculpture that doesn't exist in the physical realm, but is merely a concept, a figment of the artist's imagination. This raises the question, are we valuing the right things? Now let's turn our gaze to the realm of technology. In the past year, we've seen people spend millions on virtual real estate in digital worlds. These are worlds that exist only in the virtual reality, yet people are ready to spend real money, lots of it, for a piece of this digital pie. It's a stark reminder of how blurred the line between reality and virtuality has become. But the madness doesn't stop there. In the name of fashion and beauty, people are going under the knife, altering their bodies in unimaginable ways. From outrageous cosmetic surgeries to dangerous beauty practices, the pursuit of physical perfection is driving people to extremes. These stories might sound absurd, unbelievable even, but they are a reflection of the world we live in today. A world where sneakers are auctioned for exorbitant prices, invisible art is sold for thousands, virtual real estate is $1 million business, and extreme body modifications are becoming the norm. What these stories highlight is a world that seems to have lost its grip on reality, a world that is veering towards the absurd and the outrageous. They underscore the need for a return to sanity, to a world where value is not just about monetary worth, but about intrinsic worth, where reality is not just a virtual construct, but a tangible experience, where beauty is not just about physical appearance, but about inner beauty. Scene script. In conclusion, the world may seem maddening, but it's not beyond redemption. It's high time we rethink our values, reassess our priorities, and restore sanity to our world. After all, as the saying goes, in a mad world, only the sane are crazy. The Cactus of Sanity. Huachuma in a Time of Chaos, a book by Baranov, was written during the COVID lockdowns in Peru in 2020. Observing the world sink into madness, the author wrote another book dedicated to sanity. Sanity, he believes, is as rare as diamonds, and certainly more precious. The Cactus of Sanity could not have been written in a more appropriate time. Insightful and revealing, the book takes the reader on an intellectual roller coaster. The author's ability to convey complex ideas in images created through words makes the reading more vibrant, interesting, and fun. This gracefully presented, well-researched, thoughtful, and reasonable discussion might answer many of your questions and perhaps even set you on a mind-blowing exploration of consciousness and shamanic dimension. To learn more, please visit huachumawasi.com.